Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Insta360 Link webcam. Okay, I purchased this one from Amazon US. If you order it from Australia through the Insta360 website, the final cost is actually a bit higher than order it from US, including the conversion of AUD and USD from basically US dollars to Australian dollars. So if you take the conversion fees, it's still a bit cheaper. So I ordered it from the US. So today I'm going to do just the unboxing. I might show you how I use it later on, but not today. Okay. So I was thinking to use this camera not just for video camera, but also for something else. The nice thing about this camera is it comes with a gimbal, so that's really handy. Okay. So that's what's inside. A very small unit. So it has a tripod thread hole. Let me just take this one out. Okay. So I think normally you can use it just by open this. So you clamp to a monitor. But for my monitor, it's actually the thickness of the monitor is very large. It's a mini LED monitor, ASUS ProArt. So I can't use this method. The only way I can use this one is through a mounting this one to a tripod. So you might need to consider that. But other than that, it's looks well made. So USB-C ports. So let's just look at what's inside the box. So it has a micro USB to micro USB-C cable, but I think the cable for me is too short. I might need to buy a longer one. And it has a warranty card. I'm not sure whether that works or not. And a manual, small manual. What else? Oh, okay. I think this one's for whiteboard. So you can put like a barcode marker on the corners of the whiteboard, and because this is a gimbal, right? So you can track you, and then you can use hand gesture to control the camera. So, and you can ask the camera to zoom fully to the whiteboard, so you can do a presentation or something. So that's this one. I might use it once I have a bigger space to put a whiteboard, but not for now. And it has a dongle to convert micro USB-C to normal USB. Okay. I won't use this one because the only port left for me is the USB-C. Okay. So basically, I can't use this one. So I'm going to buy a longer USB-C to USB-C cable to use this camera. Okay. So that's what's inside this small box. Not much use for me right now. Yep, that's about it. Not much to show. Maybe I can show you the side. So you can do 4K. It has a large sensor. It can track you by using AI algorithm. You can control it with hand gesture. So as I told you earlier, so if you put the markers on the corner of the whiteboard, you can zoom fully to the whiteboard. So the microphone has noise cancellation, privacy mode. Okay, I think what the privacy mode means is just you control the camera to head down. But obviously, if someone hacks you, they can still hear what you're saying. Rapid focus. That means the focusing performance of the webcam is quite good. So you can see in this use case, actually use a mouse to do an overhead scan. So that's the AI tracking, the whiteboard. Okay, that's the end of this unboxing with this small camera. Okay, and hope you guys enjoy the video. So yep, another thing, please support this channel by subscribing or just click likes. So I really want to grow this channel, and I will put out more content later. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.